Have you ever pondered the process of making money on Amazon FBA? It's a topic that sparks the interest of many, and for good reason. Today, we'll peel back the layers of this intriguing subject and delve into the specifics of turning a profit on Amazon FBA. First, it's important to understand what Amazon FBA is. FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service provided by Amazon that takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping orders on behalf of sellers. This service allows sellers to focus on other essential aspects of their business, such as sourcing products and marketing. So, how does one make money using this service? It begins with finding a profitable product to sell. A profitable product is one that has a high demand and low competition. You can use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to help identify such products. Remember, research is the bedrock of success on Amazon FBA. Next comes sourcing your product. You can source products locally or from international suppliers. Alibaba is a popular platform for finding suppliers. It's crucial to negotiate prices and order samples to ensure the quality of the product. Once you've sourced your product, it's time to create a compelling product listing. A well-crafted listing includes high-quality photos, a compelling product title, a detailed product description, and positive customer reviews. Now, with your product listed, it's time to focus on marketing. Amazon SEO and PPC are effective ways to increase your product visibility. SEO involves optimizing your product listing with relevant keywords, while PPC involves paying for ad placements on Amazon. As orders start to roll in, Amazon FBA takes over the fulfillment process, freeing you up to focus on customer service and growing your business. But what's the secret sauce to making money on Amazon FBA? It's a combination of choosing the right product, sourcing it at a low cost, creating a compelling listing, and effectively marketing your product. So to recap, making money on Amazon FBA involves finding a profitable product to sell, sourcing that product at a competitive price, creating a compelling product listing, marketing your product effectively, and letting Amazon FBA handle the fulfillment process. It's a journey that requires research, planning, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit. But with the right approach, it's a journey that can lead to a profitable and sustainable business. So the next time you find yourself contemplating the prospect of making money on Amazon FBA, remember these steps and the potential they hold. The world of e-commerce is vast and full of opportunities, and Amazon FBA is a powerful tool to harness these opportunities. Your path to profitability might just be a few clicks away.